Good morning guys. We are getting ready for the day, cleaning up a little bit from yesterday. I'm watering all these brassicas before we get them into the field, so that they're nice and saturated before Friday's rain. It is Wednesday this morning, overcasty, like 60 degrees when we wake up, so yeah, warm day. Gonna be on the transplanter basically all day, getting plants in the ground, so yippee skippy.
Yippee skippy.
I got Jonathan and Kelsey with me.
Morning. Morning.
And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We're emptying any of our waste flats here, recapture any of that waste potty mix, and I guess turn it into compost. Yesterday, as you saw, we got that half an acre planted of the salad and the bok choys. I'm sure this morning they'll be nice and perky, so that's always nice to see. It's supposed to rain maybe this morning, but I think it was just a couple sprinkles.
Yeah, it was drizzling when I was driving here.
I was gonna say, did you guys get anything on your way in?
Tiny bit. Hey, how are you?
What are you doing over there?
Kim, what's up? What's up?
Not much. Trying to keep these things occupied so they don't kill me.
I can't blame you.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
That's okay.
Cool, they will take care of Kim. Good to go.
Linda doesn't like to stay up anymore.
You gotta wash your head.
I know. I know.
And we're down back at the greenhouses, at the neighbors, ready to fill up. How do they look? Are they dry? Are they wet?
You're wet.
All the way down to the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay.
Those
Yeah.
look really good.
Cabbage, cabbage, cabbage.
Was it in kale too?
Yep. Give these guys one more squirt of water. All right, we're all loaded up. That nursery is basically empty. Yeah, Kelsey and Jonathan are headed back to the house. They are gonna empty tier 2 and put that outside where all these broccolis and cabbages were, so that I have enough room to pull the tomatoes out of the germ chamber when I get home tonight and lay them out in there and water them in nicely and all that jazz. We made it safely down to the field. Got a trailer full of plants. I need a tractor warmed up, and I need to trade out transplanters. So yeah, this one here does 4 rows, 2 people, 10 inches apart are the rows on one bed. The other transplanter only does a single row with 2 people. It has a completely different mechanism as far as putting plants in the ground. The other style, this one here, is a carousel planter. As you saw, it's got the cups that turn and you just put them in the cups. The other ones have fingers that you lay them in and close along a wheel that releases them into a furrow. And so yeah, we'll show you that today. And that's how we're going to be putting in a majority of these plants. We've got a gorgeous day on our hands here.
Mine. Are you left-handed or right-handed?
Right.
Okay, then we'll put you on that side. You'll feel it. You start to close on it, and you just want to hold it long enough that it's not going to drop out. I always like to put one in one hand and then pass it to my next hand, so I'm not only using one hand at a time, you know?
We're transplanting broccoli, getting crazy with it. I'm really excited about this because broccoli is one of my favorite vegetables for sure. I just go nuts with it, man, whether it's raw, steamed. I can't have butter on it anymore because I'm a dairy-free kid anymore, I guess. But yeah, Daniel's getting at it. Lots of plants going in. Oh yeah. This is most of my day. Sitting here staring at wheel tracks, making sure I'm in the right spot. Yeah, start the first row nice and straight so that, you know, the next ones follow suit. Yeah, my job is to keep her straight, keep her safe, keep going.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Radio All-Hazard Warning Device for Station WXK-97 in Sudlersville, Maryland. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. In areas in and near the Upper Delmarva Peninsula, in Maryland, Anne Arundel, Baltimore, Caroline, Cecil, Dorchester, Hartford, Howard, Kent, Queen Anne's, and Talbot counties, Baltimore City, and Chesapeake Bay north of Drum Point. The entire state of Delaware, including Delaware Bay but not including the adjacent Atlantic.
All right, lunchtime. Kelsey brought this beautiful little deviled
egg with my chicken eggs and my marigolds that I grow.
That's awesome, man. And how cool is it? Jonathan's down here eating hard-boiled eggs.
That's right.
I'm the loser that doesn't have eggs.
I'm also eating our carrots too.
Ooh, yummy.
With hummus.
Hummus, my favorite.
Uh-huh.
But I got a tuna fish sandwich. Feeling pretty good about it. Got 9 beds of broccoli in so far. We got 3 more to do. Looking great. Still kind of surreal that we're able to do what we do so efficiently, you know, with all this new equipment. that we got a couple years ago. I mean, we really wouldn't be able to do this without the support of all the great customers that we have who just show up in the rain. They show up in the storms. They show up. I mean, they're religious about buying their food from us. And that's special to our business and to our livelihoods as farmers. My crew, my wife, my family included. So like, really, thank you guys for coming out and doing what you got to do, because we're definitely not scared to do what we got to do. Those baby bok choys there looking awesome. Very distinctive green lines. All these salads are looking solid. I guess you could call them lettuce, but whatever. You know what I mean. Sorry, I'm smashing this food while I have a minute. And I look up and I see somebody's waiting here. I wonder who it could be. Might have a special guest today.
You always did that.
What was that again?
What's up, Slack?
And this is my pop. Yep.
How you doing?
Special guest for the day. So, what do you think?
Oh, it's beautiful, Adam.
Isn't this gorgeous, man?
Seeing it.
Right?
Boy, if this doesn't put a smile on your face, you're
I know,
dead.
right?
You're dead.
Seriously though.
Yep.
You look at that, and that is so beautiful.
Yeah.
This whole thing. Ground turned up.
Who
Who are you?
are you?
Who the hell are you?
I'm Ava.
Ava?
Yeah.
I'm Big Pop.
Oh, you're Papa?
Yep, Big Pop. Slim,
I love
you guys are doing a bang-up job. It's beautiful, too.
We appreciate it, man.
Jonathan, good seeing you again.
All right, thank you, sir.
I'll see you around.
Yes, sir.
Don't work too hard.
Good to see you.
All right.
Yeah, come here.
Oh, man.
It's
This is
been a
awesome.
while.
I'll see you guys later. Have fun.
Dad, you're the
I
best.
love you.
Drive safe. Be cool. And that's Poppy. Yep. He's a big supporter. He's a good man. Taught me everything I know. And yeah, I definitely would not be the farmer I am without my dear old Pop, man. I didn't make enough beds in order to plant today. Kind of a mistake, but well, it is definitely a mistake, but it is what it is. So, just to recap, I got Ava here. I need all the help I can get. And so we need to get potatoes in. She's going back to the house with the white truck. She's gonna get some fingerlings. I got rows made up. And at the end of the day, it'll be really easy for me to slap that tool on with the discs and just hill them up. So I can keep her busy for a while doing that. And so then I got Jonathan and Kelsey. We finished with the broccoli. Ran out of room, right? So I'm gonna take this transplanter, drop it off in the back here, and pick up the power harrow, the orange tool with the roller on the back. Take it over there, make up some beds, and yeah, just do the dance real quick, get the transplanter back on, head back over there after that, and we need to get the cabbages, the kale, and yeah, doing the thing. Working up some fresh beds. I should have had this done already, but I'll finish with that task. There's Kelsey. Planting taters. Planting taters to beat the band. Yep, kale world is coming together. Salad world is surviving the heat today. We need some water on that real bad. Then there's broccoli world. We're swapping out Jonathan for Ava. And yeah, we're getting it done.
We're doing it.
Sounds like I say the same stuff all the time, but I'm just doing the best I can to show you guys what the heck's going on down here, right? That's the goal. While I'm waiting, I might as well tell all the new viewers here what is going on, right? We're first generation farmers. It's our 8th growing season. Me and my wife started this farm a very long time ago, 8 years ago, and now I've got Kelsey with me for 3 seasons.
Yeah.
And she's with me, so now we're able to level up, right? Jonathan was with me a long time ago. He came back. That's another level up. Now I got Eva coming with me. That's another level up. Ava. I'm gonna get this. But yeah, we're doing it up. First generation farmers, 8 years ago, it was just a garden. So to come to this, putting out thousands and thousands and tens of thousands of plants a year on 30 acres. That was your first time. How was it?
I loved it.
That was easy, right?
Faster.
Not so bad. Thank you, Kelsey. We're planting more kale. Kale world is starting to fill up. Dino kale is dino. Oh, we gotta take a walk here. All better. So yeah, we plant dino kale, purple kale, traditional green kale. This low row is going to be a little sloppy. I'm talking to you guys, but whatever. Dino kale is an Italian heirloom kale. It is super tasty, meaty, holds up to cooking. Super awesome. Then you got purple kale, and that's basically like traditional kale, but just got all that benefit of the dark purple goodness, you know? Then you got traditional kale, which everybody knows about. If you don't know about it, then you're not cool. Love me some spring cabbages, man. I think it's because I never grow enough of the fall cabbages that I kind of get a craving and then I run out of them. And then it's like, all right, I gotta wait all winter long to get them sweet, sweet, sweet spring baby cabbages. Love it, man. So, yeah, a little bit at a time. It's been a long day, but still at it. Cloud cover's starting to come in. I keep checking the weather, and it says it's gonna rain tomorrow around 1 o'clock, so that could mean 10 o'clock. Could wake up to rain. Could rain in a couple hours, who the heck knows. But I'll take whatever I can get, because from here to the green over there is covered with plants, so our hard work will pay off. Alright guys, I'm done for the day. I've got a visitor here and I've got to attend to them, so yeah, not something I'm going to put on video, nothing wrong or anything, but yeah, I got a visitor I got to go see, so this is where we're going to end the video. Really appreciate your support. Please subscribe, I really need some help there, and either way, yeah, really appreciate you guys. This is only a hobby until you show up. Cheers.